What is up guys, Express here, back with another video. Now this video is another top designs of the month. I said I'm not going to do it anymore, but I'll bring it back, new year, but this time not a top 5, not a top 6, not a top 10, just top designs of the month. Just some designs that I thought were really cool and I want to showcase for you guys. Thanks for all the submissions. If you want to submit your design as well, make sure to join the Discord, link in the description, where you go to top designs of the month, post your best of that month in the chat. I will go through them. If you have any other video ideas or video challenges, let me down in the comments. And yeah, let's just start. So we have our first one. We have Saito with his amazing My Hero Academia header. I really like what he did with it. I really love the text, the 3 More Academia text. I like that there's a little bit of foreground with the rocks and everything. I like there's a little bit of background as well. Yeah, I like the overall positioning of the characters that he did. The only thing that I wouldn't have done, Deku seems a bit different than all the rest, but text as well. I really like the right hand side text as well, that he has nice positions with a nice little rectangle box behind it, which really fits the overall theme. I like the way it looked. The color combination of the yellow and red is really nice. Yeah, and overall really clean. Up to the next one, we have Worthy. I saw this and I was like, damn, this is really cool. This is like, I like that he has not used a white, but like more of a grainy textured background. Laser text is really cool, really old school kind of vibe to it. And then the Japanese text everywhere. I can't read Japanese, but it looks really cool. Red accent color really fits the overall theme, and just positioning is really cool. Like, this is like something you would see in a magazine or something like that, which is a cool idea in my opinion, and that's why it is in, of course, top designs of the month. So yeah, up to the next one, we have Sudi with his design. I think this is really cool. I have no idea what it says, but I like the look of it. It has me sort of thinking of Evangelion in some parts. I wanna definitely see this with some color, with some text styles, with some overlay, maybe 3D. Yeah, I would say go ahead, do more logos. I want to see what you come up with. The swiggle lines and everything, I like it. Put it on the header or something like that. I think it would look sick when it's 3D. Okay, we have Rifo with his amazing social media header for Twitter, of course. I love this text, I love the grunge and everything, I love the yellow accent color and everything. This is like a really grunge background, but I like how he did it. Of course, you have a little bit of blur in the foreground and then a bit of depth in the back. Yeah, I like it. The only thing that I would have done or would change is the font itself, but it fits the overall theme, like a more edgy kind of style. So yeah, I really like what he done with it. I've seen another one in Discord with the same style that he made, which is amazing. Up to next one, we have something more colorful, which I am a big fan of. We have Evera Chainsaw Man header. I really like that he has, of course, again, the foreground with the clouds and then some background with the characters itself. The colors itself really fit, in my opinion. Maybe not a Chainsaw Man theme, but I like those colors. The red with the blue, with the pinkish kind of vibe, with the white clouds and everything. It's cool. I like the left hand side character. I really like the positioning and how she has blended with the clouds. And then, of course, my favorite one of this month, another Chainsaw Man header. It's really popular this month and actually also previous month. I really like this kind of style with the ripped paper and everything and the paper texture. It fits the manga style and everything. It really fits an overall anime kind of header. And then the color combination, the green, the yellow, the red, it just all fits together really. I like the green color that he has taken, and the logo as well in the middle. Like, the text style is really cool, really simple but really cool. And then the left hand side text, it's fitting the overall theme as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this top designs of the month. If you want, of course, join the next month, make sure to join the Discord, link in the description if you want to join that thing. Let me know what you guys thought of this winners, and of course, yeah, let me know what else you want to see from me this year. We'll see what the future brings us, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this top design of the month. Of course, the series is back, and yeah, I can't wait what you guys make next month. See you guys then.